Are you getting this?
I did.
Probably want a cracker? This one just said bye-bye. Meow. Meow. Meow at us again. This one.
Okay, so this bird, it totally meows and whistles. And this one, that one just shrieked. But it also said probably want a cracker.
Probably want a cracker? Probably want a cracker?
That bird's coming towards us. This bird,
so cool.
that one remembers a lot of stuff. Holy crap, Polly wants a cracker.
Polly want a cracker?
That was so weird.
I know, but it was just out of nowhere.
Someone was here just like making them remember stuff.
It was probably the people who work with them. I bet you anything the people who work with them decided to make them meow.
Just screw with
just to screw with people. Just like, that bird just meow.
The bird is totally upside down.
Meow. 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 This is the face.
I can't whistle.
Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker?
Polly want a cracker?
Polly want a cracker?
Oh my gosh, that was so weird.
That was.
That was like
Polly
we were about to leave.
Yeah, I know, we were about to leave and it's just like, Polly want a cracker?
What?
It was like, why aren't we recording this for Eric? Okay.
Meow again! We need a meow.
Meow. Meow for us.
Meow. 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 Hello.
These ones talk. This one said Polly want a cracker earlier.
And then that one said goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah.